All right. Okay. Welcome back. And for the past, we call the wisdom talk past. I would like to share the small topic for all of you. If you come back, please type number one in the comment if you come back right now. Number one to check that you are stay with me right now.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, today I would like to share this wisdom with you. It's about simple wisdom that you can apply to you in your daily routine every day. So the topic today is about self-love, creating a safe space within yourself. Is a very important topic that because we stay with ourselves all the time, every day, right? Every day until right now, many years, we stay with ourselves. And the most important thing that we need to do it for yourself is about self-love. Sometimes you can learn how to hug yourself. Even no people hug you, but you can learn how to hug yourself, how to speak with yourself kindly. Be nice to yourself, not use bad word to yourself, but create the good momentum, the good energy that you can do it for yourself. It's the self-love. So what is self-love? This is the key concept that I found it and would like to share with you. Self-love means respecting, accepting, and appreciating yourself. It is seeing your value and believing you are enough. It is about having a positive mindset towards yourself. And the last one, it builds confidence and emotional strength, or sometimes we call resilience. So it's very important. Like this is the way that you can respect yourself. Respect it means that look for the goodness within yourself. Accept it the way that you are. Sometimes you need to appreciate that yourself also, not just for the other people, but we need to do it for yourself also. And you need to see the value because everyone just have the value. Because we are different, we have uniqueness. And we need to believe it that we are enough. Even in the world tell you you are not enough, but you are enough. You should deserve the good thing for your good life. And also this is the positive mindset that you can create the space for yourself for the self-love. And this is the differently between self-love versus self-care. Self-love is mean how you feel and think about yourself, and then self-care, what you do to take care of your body and mind. So it's just very familiar, but it differently for the detail, right? Self-love, when you have self-love, you know what you are feel right now, that you can think about yourself, how the feeling, how are you, things like that. And for the self-care, like you take a shower, you brush your teeth, you wash your face, you exercise, you practice meditation, right? When you work out, you have the self-care for the body to be strong. And then when you practice meditation or the meditate, you make the mind to be strong. It's a self-care for the mind. And a lot of self-love and self-care that you can keep it for yourself. Why self-love is important? This is the benefit. When we learn something, we need to know what, when, and why. Why, when you have why self-love is important is like a good question. Why self-love is important? When you practice it, you can have stronger for the heart and mind. And sometimes we can learn from mistake because no one is perfect. We make something mistake, we learn, we can accept, and then we can improve day by day. Improve it because you accept the way that you are, and then you learn to stand up, and then okay, keep moving forward no matter what happened. But we are the human. Human, it have some thing that we make something error, yeah. And then when you have self-love, you know that, oh, okay, next time I will do the best. And then you just follow the inner voice from yourself, and then you continue to moving forward for the good future. Everything that you do, you do for the future of yourself. Like you invest time for your body and the mind, and then less stress, right? Most of the time people always stress from the work, from the relationship, from the people around us. But when we have self-love, okay, this one, just let go. Let go. Don't stress too much. Just stress a little bit and then let go. And also, when you have less stress, you can have the space to be happy for yourself. Sometimes learn to smile, right? In the meditation time that we practice smile, when you smile, you feel very special. When you smile, your face is very, very relaxed. When you smile, the good thing come to yourself. This is the detail for each one by one, stronger heart and mind. Right? Why we need to practice self-love. It's not spoiling yourself, but having discipline, doing the right thing at the right time. Discipline is very important. It can define your life to be better because you have discipline, right? The people that wake up on time, go to sleep on time, exercise, eat the good food, anything that you do it is turned to become like a discipline because you do it every single day until right now. Like a small habit, small action, it turned to be your lifestyle nowadays. Even you check yourself or observe yourself, you can know what the style that you have it. You have the good discipline or bad discipline. You can see it by yourself. The good discipline, it can lead for the good life. The bad discipline, it can destroy for the long term or the long run of lifestyle. And then the second, doing the right thing at the right time. It's very important. Writing at the right time. Sometimes we do it in the right thing, but not at the right time. Right? Some people exercise around 11 p.m. but it's not the right time to exercise, right? It's time to sleep, right? But when you do it, maybe it's not the right time. But is it the right thing, right? Yeah, the right thing, but not the right time. Exercise is very good, right? Exercise is very good. It's good for your body. Good for your body. Like sometimes we learn about food, right? We eat food, we eat good food, but if we eat too much, right? Eat too much vitamin, it can harmful for you. Too much vitamin C or anything. If too much, it harmful for you. So we need to do right thing at the right time is very important for the stronger heart and mind. Learn from mistakes. Right? We need to be kind to yourself when you fail, because no one is perfect. Sometimes we make something mistake, but we can learn and move on. Learn from the mistake and fix it for yourself. I just love the concept from my teacher. He said that the one that can improve ourselves, like search to improve ourselves, is a very very special, more than any kind of searching, right? Some people is searching for go to the moon, go to the star, but if we can find the point that we make something mistake, and if you can find it, you win yourself. Then next time you will get it better all the time. It's like the discovery good discovery for yourself. And then the last thing, say it is okay, I will learn and grow, right? When you say it is okay, you soften the mind to be at peace, to be don't serious, to be okay. Yeah, to be okay. No matter what happened, it is okay. It's okay. When you say, is it okay? And then, oh, you feel okay. Even you have more challenge, you have more problem, but you can overcome it. Just find a way out and fix it day by day. Then less stress. It means like you have positive self-talk. It brings calm and safety. Simple words like I did my best today, right? Sometimes you need to have the motto or the good word for fulfill your day. Like I did my best today. You do the best, right? Just do it. You do the best. Oh, today I exercise well. I wake up early. Today I keep the bed well. Today I help people. Today I reading the book. Today I go to work out. I talk to the people. I talk to myself. So like anything, like the self-talk or the simple word. Sometimes the mantra, peace and love, it can fulfill your day to be happy. Sometimes good morning to the people that pass by you. It can make the beautiful day for someone else also. And the one that you can receive it is about yourself first. Sometimes less stress. Then you can have more space to be happy, to be okay. A simple way to practice self-love. Number one is about take care of your body. Take care of your body. What is that? Right? We stay with ourselves every day, all the time. And take care of your body is mean that you give the time for yourself to exercise, to do workout, sleep early, eat the good food. It's very important to balance the body and the mind and make time for your body to be strong. Then the second, understand your emotions. If you understand your emotion, oh, right now I feel happy. Right now I feel sad. Right now I feel down. Right now I feel upset. Right now I feel angry. Right now I feel so. So if you understand your emotion, it means that you can deal with the different way that can make you have a good day, right? When you sad, when you're happy, oh, this is the emotion. Like it's just up and down. It's like the equally condition. When something good comes to you, just smile, right? But when something bad comes to you, okay, I understand. Yeah, but this is the impermanent. It not stay with you longer. And my teacher said like sometimes you need to practice keep one mood at the one time throughout the whole day. Maintain the one mood. One mood is mean that the good feeling that you have it maybe in the morning, you wake up and you meditate 30 minutes, 1 hour, and you keep the peaceful state of the mind. You keep the mantra with you throughout the whole day, no matter what happened. Even you stay with some people, or even you stay with the different location, different atmosphere, but we can keep to be good one mood at the one time throughout the whole day, and then support to understand your emotions. Then the third, be kind to your mind. So be kind to your mind, no matter what happened. Okay, when you do something that you feel that you're not enough, but actually you are enough. You are enough, right? Be kind to your mind, be kind to yourself. Give self-love to yourself every day. Even no people support you, and then oh, I support yourself. I care for yourself. Be kind to your mind. It's very important. Like you have self-love, you have self-care. And the last one, spiritual care. Sometimes we need to do it not just about work. No. When you work, you get the money. You work for the worldly world, you get the money. And you get the bonus also. But sometimes people didn't happy for work, but they need to do it. You to do it because they can use the money for the purpose. But sometimes we have like the spiritual work or the spiritual care. Sometimes you learn how to chant, chanting. Sometimes you learn how to practice meditation. Sometimes you learn how to write down the spiritual journey. So anything that support for the spiritual care, or sometimes you reading the book, the chanting book, the wisdom book that support the spiritual care. That it's not just about outside factor, but we have the inside factor. That is very important to make it balanced, body, mind, lifestyle, and also this is the simple way to practice self-love. And thank you so much. And also before we end, like I'd rather share this with you, take care of your body. Like imagine that you see the cat, right? The cat. When you see the cat, you feel very relaxed. You feel very relaxed. So take care of your body, like something that's simple for you. Daily routine, like sleep well, eat well, exercise well, and stay healthy. Like the factor, sleep is number one. It's very important. If you sleep around 7 until 8 hours, you can see the result. You wake up with the fresh, you wake up with the fresh energy. You don't would like to sleep again, but you wake up and then you meditate. And then eat well. You are what you eat. Keep it in your mind. You are what you eat. And sometimes the sickness or the disease, it comes from the food that you eat. So make sure about what you eat. It refine the lifestyle for the future. So we eat throughout the whole day. Sometimes breakfast, lunch, dinner. But for the monk, we eat 2 times, breakfast and lunch. We just eat 2 times. For me, it's just 12 years already for eat breakfast and lunch. Yeah, and then exercise well. Take time to exercise. Go to work out, go to walk around, go to connect with the people that go to exercise. And then this one can make you stay healthy. And when you have healthy lifestyle, everything that you do it for the purpose. Everything will be okay because you have the body well. Then understand your emotion like this. You need to accept all feeling, happy, sad, or tired. Allow yourself to feel and learn from them, like the experiment. Apply, learn from the different emotion, different feeling. And when you see the loop of the emotion, oh, this one come, and what is the root of the suffering, what is the cause, what is the effect. If you do things like that, and can have the effect, because the condition is can support for the result. Then be kind to your mind, like we need to reduce negative thinking and then practice positive thoughts, because most of the time in the daily lifestyle, social platform, a lot of negative story. Sometimes it can come to your brain that you always thinking again and again. And then sometimes you look down for yourself, you feel that, oh, you are not enough because you use social media and then you compare yourself with other people. But if you stop to use it, okay, have more time for the analog world, then you can find something that differently. That, oh, we have the self-value, we have the value. It's not just about the value in the social media, but you have the value in the real world right now, in the real world. And practice positive thought. No matter what happened, be kind to your mind. Positive thought, it can make you have a good day. And sometimes it's look for the goodness of ourselves also. When you can look for the goodness of ourselves, you can write down to be grateful, the 1, 2, 3, and write down for the goodness of others. You then can create the momentum of the positive energy throughout the whole day. The spiritual care, like every day we need to find meaning in life and connect with something like the purpose, belief. Sometimes you can ask yourself, what the purpose of my life? Sometimes you can slow down, take it easy, and then okay, find the best way that make you feel happy and enjoy for your life, like the lotus also. It just come from the mud, right? The lotus, it comes from the mud. but when it grow, it's very beautiful, become the lotus. It means that no matter where you are from, but you can grow with the purpose. You can grow to be the beautiful life for yourself. And also, thank you so much. And before the end for the session, I would like to share this video to you. This one is very important video that I like it, and I hope that you can get benefit for the self-love. Let's take a look together.
We want to be at our comfortable place. How many hours do we have? That's my favorite quote. Thanks, my good Did you know that if you mix macarons and I'm so grateful to have a part of her gas station. I'm so grateful for her personality. One of the best women in the world
Excuse me, you can't park there. T-Mile.
I accidentally ate 45. Go sleep, girl.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you enjoy for the meditation time and wisdom talk today.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here for us today. The meditation was very relaxing. I felt lighter and lighter during it, and your wisdom talk was so validating. It was so validating. I can't say how much we enjoy it, and we feel very special that you're here for us today. And you know, that video was exactly right. It wasn't absurd at all. Both possibilities are there, even though it's a little funny. I just wanted to tell you that everything you said today planted wonderful seeds. And, you know, all I can say is I'm so looking forward to bowing 3 times to the Buddha and the Dharma and the Sangha, because this was so nourishing. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for making it possible, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Yeah.
For joining us today. So, and thank you, Maninikorn, for guiding us meditation and sharing great wisdom talk. So, the last thing, may I invite everyone to participate to our teaching one.
Okay, Sadhu, rejoice in Evan marriage. May the power of the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha enable all of you to be happy peaceful successful in everything that you wish bright and shine in your practice and attain inner peace may your dream come true fulfill your mind with the wisdom with the good energy throughout the whole day every single day to be peaceful and happy all the time Sadhu
And also thank you to Pime to invite us ค่ะ Thank you for having us. So next time we have great day. Have great weekend. Bye.
Thank you ค่ะหลวงพี่สาธุค่ะ
ครับสาธุครับ